Okay, my name is Ndirangu, a hotelier by profession, and also a member in Muungano Sacco, holding the position of the treasurer. Now, I must say, Muungano is one of the oldest Sacco society in the hospitality industry, and other than the core business, we also have the investment wing. And one of our key investment is on shares. And recently, we also broadened our investments in money markets. Hence now getting in touch with Cytonn. And we've been hardly 8 months since we were with Cytonn. As I said, 8 months, nothing much to say, but on a positive side, so far so good, and I want to believe that it's going to be good as we move on, and we are going to see the fruits of that investment that we've done. What I like about Cytonn is that it seems to be a well-organized company and well-managed. And this is as a result of what we are receiving in terms of updates, in terms of guidance and advice that we are receiving from them. So it's positive. It's positive, yeah. Obviously, as a good investor, there are key factors that you have to check. Not that you're going to be 100%, but there are key factors that you need to check. And one of them that we did check as a board is the earning growth in the stock market of Cytonn and the flexibility in the interest rate offered to the clients. Stability of the company is also something else that we also wanted to check, which is promising in regards to the investments. Then the relative strength in the industry among other competitors, and the management of the company. That's also something else that we also considered. And having checked on those factors, we are convinced that, yeah, let's go forward and invest with Cytonn. Good question. And as I said, I'm a hotelier. And one of the key factors, and especially in the hospitality industry, is customer service. And having that background, we're able now to say, how is the service between us and Cytonn? And I can say it's a tick for them in terms of customer service. And that does not mean that you cannot hesitate to complain, because we know what is expected for a customer. So far so good, and we can't complain about the service. For now, no. As I said, we are only hardly 8 months. But what I can say is that we've been receiving updates on the various trainings that they have. That is online. Probably maybe the challenge that we have now is the inconvenience to do with COVID-19, whereby now we can't attend trainings. But I want to believe when all gets better, we shall continue attending these trainings, because you find that when you attend this training, you also get to open up and get to understand more about the investment. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, and especially what we have received for the eight months. I mean, it's something good and it's promising. The fear is there, both as a corporate and both as an individual. But as they say, life is a risk. So until you go out there and meet the right person, get the right information, you'll never know what you're missing. So have that boldness of going out there and find out what is out there. And you know, knowledge is an essential asset to become successful. So I would encourage those SACCOs to venture into that. They can also come with a strategic plan on how they want to do their investments, and also grow, start small, because like us as Muungano, we've started small. And for the 8 months, we have seen there are better proceeds in regards to that. So I must say that hardly 1 year and we have topped up our investments. So that shows there is great confidence in terms of what we need to get. So I would encourage those SACCOs to invest, and also have a strategy on how you want to do your investments, and don't be discouraged, because as I say, life is a risk.